Bazali bakaMzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazali bakaMzitho, it's about abo baby mama baka Mpumelelo. I'll be talking about Utirelo noVuyokazi. Guys, let's start with Utirelo. I've noticed that Utirelo has deleted all the pictures on Instagram yakhe la amekhona no baby daddy wakhe, which is Mpumelelo, and ithombe zaka Mpumelelo. Guys, a lot of people, they are suspecting that a relationship yabo kusho ukuthi iphelile. Kunenkinga emshadweni. You know that there's a picture that is making rounds manje kuthiwa i-girlfriend yakaMpumelelo entsha, and the girlfriend is also Tswana. The girlfriend buya province in la Utirelo abuya khona. We don't know about the town, the location, but the province is same province, and the nationality into eyi-1 boyithu-ke. So into mhlambe ecabani ekwathisa uTirelo yileyo. I saw last week it was i-birthday kaTirelo, it was also i-birthday kaMpumelelo. But ama-birthday wabo amalanga alandelanayo. uTirelo did post uMpumelelo nge-birthday yakhe, but uMpumelelo didn't post uTirelo. Asazi ukwenzakalani. Even uMseleko azange zampost uTirelo, and we know by now ukuthi uMseleko unoposta uTirelo athi umama kasingabakho, understand? So azange nje azapost uTirelo. You don't know kwenzakalani. Maybe uTirelo ukwathisele lento ukuthi naso isithombe said they are making routes. And one thing about uMpumelelo, guys, about one thing about uMpumelelo ayenzayo, which is nathi isiceda umoya, uyazikhucula isidima sama girlfriends wakhe phansi, uyazikhucula isidima sabo baby mama bakhe phansi. Mhlawumbe uTirelo ukhathele, and angisiboni nami isidingo sokuthi uTirelo abekezelele uMpumelelo. Guys, let's just be honest. uTirelo kwashiwo ukuthi kibo uTirelo banemali. uTirelo financially she is okay. So I understand le into emenza abamanje they're saying girls are dating uMpumelelo for fame. Which fame? Because if fame le uTirelo ayithola akusi fame healthy for mental health yakhe, because a lot of people, they are bashing uTirelo. uTirelo post isithombe ame kahle nje, aright, agcokile, amuhle. Someone will notice something wrong every time uTirelo makazo trend. 80% of it, more than 70% of the comments, it will be negative comments, and even those comments, they are even commenting those hate comments. So yini le fame engaka uTirelo yenza, because I don't think even nama brand uzosebenza nama brand kangaka ngoba if you post something, that's something about, especially ladies house, bazokhuluma into engekho healthy, you understand, of which is unfair uTirelo. But yeah, guys, that is all for uTirelo. Let's just talk about uVuyokazi. Guys, uVuyokazi useTurkey. uVuyokazi posted ithombe aseTurkey. Mina when I first saw the pictures, I thought uVuyo uyoyenza mhlambe, because vele she already has the body yabo, unawo izinqani whatever. I thought mhlambe uyoyenza bathi imami makeover, khona bayibiza imami makeover, or mhlambe ilipo webha uzoyehlisa mhlambe umkhaba, ama-breast, izandla. But it seems like ugirl uzele lapha for a vacation, and it is a solo trip. One by one asikabona omunye umuntu ampostile, even the time ase-airport bekavela one, singazi noma mhlambe khona omunye umuntu ahambe naye, but uhambe one. One thing I've noticed ngoVuyokazi these days, the girl is choosing herself. The girl, she seems very happy, even after iCandles, the ex-husband yakhe uXolani, I'll call him ex-husband, because he had already paid ilobola. So that means ngesintu use or angazi if you answer what, but it's like he paid ilobola. Even after those scandals, look at you say, you know what, from now I'll choose myself. Even if you are ubukela YouTube channel Vuyokazi, you'll see that Vuyokazi is happy these days, guys. Is happy, and that is something I think uTirelo mele consider. As much as uTirelo ashatheni uyamthanda uMseleko noma abantu bangathi uyamthanda nje uMpumelelo uMseleko, but it's something that mele ayibheke. And I think mawuzobe esithembini esifana sakaMpumelelo, you should be very selfish, because uMpumelelo nobabakhe ba selfish, guys. You should be very selfish to uthathe happiness yakho ibeke phambili, ngoba if uMpumelelo athola i-chance uzoyenza sure ukuthi isidima sakho sikhucula phansi. That is all for now, bazali bamzitho. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.